Oh, okay. Take it. So we're going to do an experiment, and you need some water and all of these things, and put it inside the water. So we're going to take this and put all over it. They look like ice when you put water all over it. But don't forget, you might do what? My slime! Go, where's my slime? No. Run out. No water? They all look like water, but they look like jelly, but we can't eat them. They actually are very small. When you put water on this kind of powder, it will put some water, and then you will see all of these will look like ice, but not that cold. I want to show you guys, but I'm not pretty sure you guys can see it. These are all of these, looks like Orbeez. Get that. So, yeah, that's the experiment for us that we just made. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Subscribe. Bye.